located close to the beautiful city Chandigarh and in the state of Haryana. Lab Solution India has been in the manufacturing of scientific and laboratory equipment for more than a decade now. The company is a reckoned manufacturer and supplier of laboratory ovens, muffle furnaces, stirrers and shakers, incubators, water baths, seed germinators, plant growth chambers, mineral water plant equipment, UV sanitizers, school college science laboratory items and complete range of glassware. The team at Lab Solution India takes pride in providing highly effective biosafety cabinets, blood bank refrigerators, mortuary chambers, ice-lined refrigerators, and complete range of low and ultra-low freezers which can maintain temperature up to -80 degrees for medicine, vaccine storage and similar other purposes. The equipment offered by Lab Solution India have received wide appreciation for their contemporary design, user-friendly interface, easy installation, and excellent performance. The organization boasts of a skilled team of professionals who are committed to offer flawless array of products to the customers. As an ISO and CE certified organization, all requisite quality checks are in place to ensure that products meet desired specifications. The team sources raw materials from reputed manufacturers, thereby assuring high-quality products with reliable performance. The company has tie-ups with reputed transporters and logistics service providers, who can be used by customers to have safe and cost-effective movement of goods across locations inside and outside India. Lab Solution India has been a supplier to Indian Railways, engineering installations, hospitals, nursing homes, pathological labs, hotels, educational institutions etc. across all parts of the country. The company takes pride in being part of the Make in India campaign and works relentlessly towards generating employment and economic activities across all strata of society. We wish to partner with you to contribute towards creating India of tomorrow in the field of science, healthcare and education. Please visit our website www.labsolutionindia.in or drop in a line at enquiry@labsolutionindia.in for all your requirements and we would be glad to serve you.